Hello and welcome. This is Khushbu Batta and today we will see how you can automatically create an invoice in Xero when a payment is made in Thrivecart. Basically, there are two ways. First, you go to Thrivecart, get all the details of your customer and their order, come back and create an invoice manually. However, this can be repetitive and tiresome. Don't worry, we have the Pabbly Smart way. Here, we will integrate Thrivecart with Xero, all using Pabbly Connect. So whenever a payment is made in Thrivecart, Xero will automatically create an invoice. Let us see how we do it. To create invoice in Xero when payment is done in Thrivecart, let us first go to Pabbly's website. On top right, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. Since I already have an account, I will just sign in. Go to Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a blue button, Create Workflow. It will ask you to name it. Just write Thrivecart to Xero. Okay. It will show you two windows, trigger and action. So trigger is basically when this happens. Action says do this. So here we will select Thrivecart as our first application. Click on trigger event and you will see product purchase. Okay, why are we selecting product purchase as a trigger event? Because we want an invoice should be created on Xero whenever a product is purchased in Thrivecart. Let's connect the two. Add new connection. It will ask you for the token key. So for this, let us go to Thrivecart's page. Click on the drop down. You will see settings. Go there, come down. API and webhooks. Yes, click here. Click on view settings. Okay. Let us create API key. Enter a name. You can just write Thrivecart, maybe create API key. Copy it. Come back to Pabbly's page and paste it. Save. Alright, the product, go down and this is the product name, PHP for beginners. Let us click here. Okay, now let us save and send test request. Okay, it says it is waiting for response. Okay, let us quickly go to Thrivecart and make a sample purchase. Close. Go to products on the top, come down. Let us change the page. So we wanted PHP for beginners. Get URL. Then view checkout. Okay, it will ask you the details. Okay, so we have filled in the details. Let us click on continue. We'll just copy the card number, paste it. Complete order. It's processing. And it's completing order. Okay. The payment has been done. Now let us quickly go to Pabbly Connect and see if we have received the information. Yes, here you can see the product that was purchased, PHP for beginners. The name of the customer, Anusha Singh. Here you can see her billing address, contact number, email ID. This means we have successfully integrated Thrivecart with Pabbly. Now let us come on to the second step. Click on the plus button. Here we will select date and time formatter. since we will need date on the invoice, due date. Okay, here let us go to modify current date, connect, select the format. It should be this, the last one. It will ask you for the value. Okay, so since we want our due date to be 2 days later, we will just write 2 here. Okay, rest seems fine. Save and send test request. All right, you can see the due date here is 2 days later. It's of July 10th and today it's 8th July. So this is successful. Now let us go to the final step, to the action window. Write Xero. Okay, select, it will ask you to select an action event. So we will select here create an invoice. Why? Because that's what we want. We want every time a purchase is made in Thrivecart, Xero should create an invoice. So we will just click on create an invoice, connect, add new connection, connect with Xero. All right, here it's going to ask a few IDs. For this, we will have to follow the steps that's mentioned here. Okay, and we will have to go to Xero Developers app. Click here. Just log in using the same credentials. Okay. On the top right, you will see a blue button, new app. Just name the app. We will write just Thrivecart. Okay, it will ask you for two URLs, company or application URL and redirect URL. So remember, there was this link here. They have mentioned create a developer app in Xero developer area is explained here. So let us go to this page here. Come down and down, a little more down. Here you will see company URL. Simply copy it. Let's just copy this. Come here, paste it again, redirect URL. Yeah, URI, redirect URI. Let's paste it here and click on let's tick the box and create app. The app is created. Now on the top left, you will see configuration. Go here. You will see a client ID and we will generate a secret key as well. Copy the client ID, come back to Pabbly's page, connect here. Again, copy the secret key, come to Pabbly's page, paste the secret key, save. Now click on allow access. Authorization successful, it says. Now it will ask you for some details. Organization name, we have selected Paritosh Sahu. Then type, we need a sales invoice. Come to name. Here we will need customer's name. We'll click here. Okay. Invoice number. Let us go to again Thrivecart and map it. Click on Thrivecart. Come down and here you will see the invoice number with date Unix format. Click here. Now it will ask you for the email address. Again go to Thrivecart here and here you will see customer email. Click on this. Now it will ask you for the date. Again we will go to Thrivecart. Okay. Let us map this date here. Again, it will ask you for the due date. For due date, go to date time formatter. Remember the date we had sent and click on this. Okay, it's done. Now come down. it will ask you for line amount types. Click here. We will select line have no tax. Okay. Then it will ask you for the currency code. Then again, let us just map it. We go to Thrivecart. Then come down and down. It will show you the purchase currency. Click here. Okay, now status would be draft itself. Then come to send to contact. We will take false. Now line item description. It would be, let us click here and go to Thrivecart. You will select base product name PHP for beginners. Okay. Then come to line item quantity. Click here. We'll map it again from Thrivecart. Go down. We will select purchase quantity 1. Now go to line item unit amount. We will map it from Thrivecart. Again go down and down. And we will map it from here. You can see this. Purchase unit price STR. Yes. Select this. Click on line item code or drop down will come. It is PHP for beginners. Now come here down. Line item tax type. We would say tax exempt. There's no tax. So, okay. Line item tax amount, it will ask you. Since there is no tax, there wouldn't be any amount. Now come down straight away to line item amount. We will map it again from Thrivecart. Go down and down. Here you will see purchase unit price STR. Click here. It's done. Now let us just save and send test request. Now let us just save and send test request to see if it is working. All right, here it is showing response received. You can see the details here. Now let us go to our Xero's account to see. Now let us go to our Xero's account and see if the invoice has been created. Okay, come to business, invoices. And here you can see Anusha Singh's invoice. Yes, it was the... Yes, now you know Anusha Singh's name is here. And her invoice is created successfully. I hope this was useful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube.